Unobuntu comes back home with her tail between her legs after egilwe umenga igoda phezu kwechiscope. Usibahleke comes clean after putting her father's job at risk. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 13th to the 17th of May 2024 on Monday. The police are after a fugitive. Nobuntu drives to the Gumede home with her tail between her legs. Khulekani sees the power of God on Tuesday. Difa and Mamzobe try to rebuild their marriage one brick at a time. Spark gives Khulekani his flowers. Unobuntu is on the run from the law on Wednesday. Sibahle confesses her sins, risking Ndlovu's position in the church. Nobuntu learns what happens when you defy your parents. Difa shut his heart for Unobuntu on Thursday. Nobuntu returns home with the tail between her legs. Umamzobe risks her marriage. Khulekani wins souls on his rise on Friday. Difa and Ndlovu reach an agreement, but it's the silence between the storm. A first fight ensues in church, shocking Amajudea. Khulekani gets a horrifying visit from the dead. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.